Hey everyone! We all know how important it is to take care of our teeth. Brushing, flossing, regular dental checkups, they're all key to a healthy smile. But did you know that nature provides some powerful tools to help us fight plaque too? That's right. We're going beyond the toothbrush and toothpaste today and diving into the world of natural remedies for a healthier mouth. We're talking about simple, effective techniques and readily available ingredients that can make a real difference in your oral hygiene routine. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of nature's smile, stick around because we're about to break down the top natural ways to combat plaque and keep your smile shining bright. Let's get to it. Let's kick things off with a practice that's been around for centuries: oil pulling. This ancient Ayurvedic technique involves swishing oil around in your mouth, much like you would with mouthwash, to remove bacteria and promote oral hygiene. The star of the show here is often coconut oil, and for good reason. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, a powerful antimicrobial agent that can help neutralize the bacteria responsible for plaque buildup and bad breath. Think of it like this: as you swish the oil around, it acts like a magnet, picking up all the nasty bacteria hiding in the nooks and crannies of your mouth. The longer you swish, the more bacteria the oil collects. Now, don't expect oil pulling to replace your regular brushing and flossing routine. It's not a magic bullet, but rather a complementary practice that can enhance your oral hygiene efforts. To give oil pulling a try, start with a tablespoon of coconut oil and swish it gently in your mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, 15 to 20 minutes. It might seem like a long time, but trust me, it becomes easier with practice. Remember, don't swallow the oil as it's full of the bacteria you're trying to eliminate. Once you're done swishing, spit the oil into the trash, not the sink, as it can solidify and clog the pipes. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water and follow up with your regular brushing and flossing routine. You can practice oil pulling daily, preferably in the morning before brushing your teeth. Next up, we're taking a look at a pantry staple that's more versatile than you might think: baking soda. You probably know it as a leavening agent in baking, but did you know it also possesses impressive plaque-fighting properties? Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is mildly abrasive, which means it can help scrub away surface stains and loosen plaque buildup on your teeth. But that's not all. Baking soda also creates an alkaline environment in your mouth, which makes it difficult for acid-loving bacteria to thrive. Think of it like this: plaque thrives in an acidic environment, but baking soda neutralizes the acid, creating an unwelcome environment for those plaque-causing culprits. It's like taking away their favorite hangout spot. Now, you don't want to go brushing with straight baking soda. It can be too abrasive for your enamel. Instead, create a simple DIY toothpaste by mixing a teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to form a paste. Apply this paste to your toothbrush and brush your teeth as you normally would. Remember to be gentle and avoid scrubbing too hard, as this can damage your enamel over time. You can use this baking soda paste a couple of times a week in place of your regular toothpaste for a natural plaque-fighting boost. However, it's essential to note that baking soda doesn't contain fluoride, a mineral that helps strengthen enamel and prevent cavities. So, while baking soda can be a valuable addition to your oral hygiene routine, it shouldn't replace your fluoride toothpaste entirely. Moving on to another natural powerhouse, aloe vera. This succulent plant is known for its soothing and healing properties, often used to treat sunburns and skin irritations. But did you know that aloe vera can also work wonders for your oral health? Aloe vera contains compounds that exhibit antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it an effective weapon against plaque and gingivitis. It helps reduce inflammation, soothe irritated gums, and create a less hospitable environment for plaque-causing bacteria. Imagine aloe vera as a gentle warrior, calming inflammation and fighting off the bacteria that can wreak havoc in your mouth. It's like a soothing balm for your gums and a powerful shield against plaque. Now, you can reap the benefits of aloe vera in a couple of ways. One option is to use pure aloe vera gel as a natural mouthwash. Simply swish a tablespoon of the gel around in your mouth for 30 seconds to a minute, then spit it out and rinse thoroughly with water. Another option is to look for toothpaste and mouthwash formulations that contain aloe vera as an active ingredient. These products offer the convenience of a pre-made solution, incorporating the power of aloe vera into your daily routine. Whether you choose to use pure aloe vera gel or opt for products containing aloe vera, incorporating this natural ingredient into your oral hygiene regimen can significantly benefit your oral health. It's a gentle yet effective way to combat plaque, soothe gums, and promote a healthy mouth. Let's move on to a more enjoyable way to fight plaque: eating crunchy fruits and vegetables. That's right, those crisp apples, carrots, and celery sticks you enjoy as snacks can actually help clean your teeth as you munch on them. Think of these crunchy delights as nature's toothbrush. Their fibrous texture acts like tiny bristles, gently scrubbing away plaque and debris from the surfaces of your teeth as you chew. But it's not just about the physical act of scrubbing. Crunchy fruits and vegetables also stimulate saliva production, which plays a crucial role in neutralizing acids and washing away food particles. Imagine biting into a juicy apple. The act of chewing triggers your salivary glands to produce saliva, which then goes to work neutralizing acids, flushing away food debris, and creating a cleaner, healthier environment in your mouth. Apples, in particular, deserve a special shout-out. They contain malic acid, a natural compound that helps dissolve stains and brighten your smile. So, next time you're craving a snack, reach for an apple. It's like a mini dental cleaning on the go. But don't limit yourself to apples. Carrots, celery, pears, and other crunchy fruits and vegetables offer similar benefits. Incorporate them into your diet as snacks, side dishes, or even as part of your main meals to enjoy their plaque-fighting and smile-brightening properties. Finally, let's talk about tea tree oil, a potent essential oil derived from the leaves of the tea tree native to Australia. This oil has been recognized for its powerful antimicrobial properties for centuries and can be a valuable ally in the fight against plaque. Tea tree oil contains a compound called terpenin 4-OL, which exhibits strong antimicrobial activity against a wide range of bacteria, including those responsible for plaque formation. It helps disrupt the bacterial cell walls, effectively neutralizing them and preventing them from multiplying. Think of tea tree oil as a potent disinfectant for your mouth, targeting those harmful bacteria and creating a cleaner, healthier oral environment. It's like giving your mouth a powerful antimicrobial shield. However, it's crucial to note that tea tree oil is extremely potent and should never be used undiluted in your mouth. Ingesting undiluted tea tree oil can be toxic, so always dilute it before using it orally. To use tea tree oil safely and effectively, add a drop or two to a cup of warm water and use it as a mouthwash. Swish the solution around in your mouth for 30 seconds to a minute, then spit it out and rinse thoroughly with water. You can also find toothpaste and mouthwash formulations that contain tea tree oil as an active ingredient. These products offer a convenient and safe way to incorporate the benefits of tea tree oil into your oral hygiene routine. Remember, while tea tree oil can be a powerful tool in the fight against plaque, it's essential to use it with caution and always dilute it properly before oral use. So there you have it, guys. Nature provides us with some incredible tools to fight plaque and maintain a healthy smile. From the ancient practice of oil pulling to the simple act of munching on crunchy fruits and vegetables, these natural remedies offer effective ways to enhance your oral hygiene routine. Remember, while these natural methods are incredibly beneficial, they work best when combined with regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups. Think of it as a team effort. You, your toothbrush, your dentist, and nature, all working together to keep your smile shining bright. So, embrace the power of nature, incorporate these natural remedies into your routine, and unlock the secrets to a healthier, brighter smile. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and keep smiling. Like, share, subscribe and comment.